Hey, what up, Majesty? Again? How many times have you read it? What up, Arm? Thank you. Actually, I read it twice, but I haven't implemented much with Rust and spent most of my time with Python. Oh. Yeah, you can really read and just like remember. You have to practice. I guess I've decided to just practice. GitHub has an API to get the download release directly, so if you want, I'll include that. Or do you prefer it related to the release page? I mean, yeah, it should be downloaded directly, if it's possible. I thought that's the way you're doing it. Yeah, I don't think players should be able, should have to download anything manually.
All of a sudden, I'm in another dream. And I'm wondering if this gap between the dreams, if this is part of the dream. I can remember it. There are some things that I can say about this. It's completely silent, but at the same time, it's full of big, fat sound.
I wonder if YouTube will ban me for my music, because I used to listen to whatever like copyright free playlist that I could find, but this is like my own playlist, and it's so fucking hard to check the copyright of a song, like to check whether your whole playlist is copyrighted or whatever. So I decided to try to just play my playlist and see if I get any like... The YouTube just like tells you if at some point of your in your video or stream there was a copyrighted material, and you can just mute it. So maybe I can just like listen to the playlist and then filter out whatever gets like flagged. And I'm not sure, like I got flagged once, and then I could just like it said that in some countries it will not be able to be played, so I just like muted it. So I wonder at what point do you get like a strike or something. So we'll see. I really want to listen to my own music. I could do that on Twitch, because there you could just stream a different audio track to the VOD. But on YouTube you can't. Okay. My script, yeah, it automatically handles download. Oh yeah, but then what do you mean? Oh, for the website. Oh yeah, I mean, totally. What's for lunch today? Oof, I don't know, dude. Probably will have to wait a bit, maybe more than a day. Hopefully you won't starve. But yeah, right now today I want to work on this player tags that I'm implementing. So basically this will track and display whoever is a supporter of the game, whoever is donating, have like Patron subscription. And then I will tie a bunch of things to that, like some sort of rewards, like daily or almost daily. And afterwards I will allow people with certain tags to be able to play a game earlier, like when there's a season switch. Like those people will be able to play like a day or two earlier. So right now I just want to be able to give those tags and to display it in the game. So right now I have only one like a supporter tag, but I'm thinking to have like 4 tiers. And I thought maybe there should be like the rarity. Common, rare, epic and legendary. I think that would be kind of fun. I'm still thinking about how to store this, because I can use enums here, but it turns out to be kind of not super easy to manage, because if I want to add another tag, I basically can just publish it on production. If I, for example, have 3 variants here, I want to add another one, then I have to clear the database and publish with the, like, it can just expand or extend the variants of this one, but if it's shrink, it can. So I'll probably only keep this enum here and work through it like within the server code, but then it will all be strings. So I don't know, like if I want to split them in 4 groups, I guess I'll just add 4 variants. Yeah, you will. And you're the only one of like the tier 2, I think it's currently called. But then I'm thinking making it like rare. So common will be like $2, rare 5, epic maybe 15, and legendary I don't know 25. You have a wide range of music preferences, or just yeah, I have like the widest range probably. I listen to music all the time. Yeah, I like D&B and breakcore. I used to sleep listening to rain sounds, but I do like ambient a lot. I wanna get into making ambient. I kinda dabble with making music, but I need to get back to it. I really like analog synths and to listen to the music of the same sort. Okay, let's just do it like this. Because I could have done something like this, for example, like maybe I don't know, like this. But then it would be harder to translate it into a string. You should have just like always like remember and check whether it's an acceptable number. So I don't know, I think in this case we'll just do it like this. So yeah, and I also want to have a tag for people who like, I don't know, maybe something like this. Because for example, Plankton, as he told me, he couldn't buy the Patreon's subscription for some reason. Like it doesn't allow him. I don't know, like where he's from. Like maybe that has something to do with it. But like he contributed a lot, and I wouldn't want to, for example, not allow him to also play the season release earlier or something. So I think we'll have these for now. Yeah. Let's just generate bindings. Tag or name color? What do you mean? I think like the way it's gonna be displayed, I think these tags will be like a star next to a name. And that's why I wanted to add the filter on the name to check if the name is accessible, because I want to use like a star emoji of certain color. And yeah, other tags will be like, for example, at some point I want to add achievements, or like if you've kept the champion title by the end of the season, you will get a certain tag, and then you may be able to choose, like some tags may make your name a certain color, or maybe display like a rank, or I don't know what it's called, but like WoW has that. Like if you get a certain achievement or something, like if you get a like 2000 rating in arena, you could have a, I think, duelist like written before your name, and you basically can choose whatever like rank you want to. Or is it called ranks? I think it's called something else. But yeah. I think he's in college. I'm not sure. Maybe yeah, undergrad. So yeah, I just explained, yeah. So right now I want to make this like stars displaying for these tags. Mm. Yeah, actually we can do it simply here. Um, mm, badge. Yeah, it's sort of like badges, I guess. But I want to like the badges. I want to be. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. The Rust tend to have less bugs, and do you do more borrowing or more referencing in your Rust code? Yeah, it definitely tends to have less bugs because a lot of things just checked on the before the compilation even. Borrowing or referencing. Um, Dude, how do I even answer that? I don't know. Like it's just case by case. Okay, so we got the tags. Yeah, and now where was it? Yeah. Wait, no. I think Yeah, I need to go here. So this is the way we display the name. Right now it's just simply a name of white color. And what we can do is, if well, I guess, yeah, we should be always connected at this point. I need to improve my connection handling. Okay, so we say player tag ID find self.id is no wait no we don't find with wait what oh not ID. I guess I just iter then filter. Owner is self ID. So these will be all the tags that the current player has. I guess actually I'll just make a function for the player get supporter level. Yeah, let's just do it like this. I often see people say that I should create references when the compiler tells me to do so, but maybe that's not a thing to consider yet as a beginner to Rust, right? I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure exactly about what cases you're talking about. Like I should see this like case by case. But basically, if you can like not move the data, you should do so. Like if you have something stored somewhere, it's always better to like to get it by reference if you can. So like if it's a small amount of data and it implements copy, you can just pass it and copying it. If it's something like that has an arrays or any kind of data structures, it's probably better to do it by reference. So you basically want to move data as little as possible if you can. This will give you the most performance. But yeah, when you're just starting, I think that like just do it as you can, and then just see what the performance is like. And so if you see that if you see that one, the performance is bad for some reason, or two, it's very hard to access the data that you need, then you might think about what is the better way to do it would be. But initially just try to do it the way you kind of intuitively feel like you should, or at least can, and don't really think about how you're supposed to do unless you run into problems. Like the problem could be like just it's harder to extend whatever you've written. it's harder to, it's for some reason really hard to access some specific piece of data that you have. And then you just figure out like, how am I supposed to do? Because when you're using Rust, it never is supposed to be harder than any other language. Like, it shouldn't be harder to work with. It's only because you're not using it right usually. At least that's kind of what was my approach. Why? Why do I not have the player tag type? I did generate, right? Is it because it's not here? Like, I thought space-time type is enough. Well, let me just check. Yeah. So if it's only if it's usable in a table, which is kind of not great for me. One thing I was thinking about doing, like, there's a lot of problems because of this is the server code, and then I generate copies basically of those definitions. And so I can use the same enums, for example. Yeah, I guess for now we'll just do the strings. I don't know how else I can do it. Yeah, that's how it's gonna be. And I fucking hate this. But yeah, I think this can be solved if I move things like this into a separate module, or crate, I should say. And this the server module, or the server crate and the game crate will depend on it. And then they can all use the same code. I think this should be easy. Maybe we'll do it even today. But okay, let's make this work first. Because you never really should do things like that, because it's really easy to change this and forget to change this. Like if I change this enum, it should break whatever. Like this should start giving errors or something. But yeah, okay. So now we go here. So if it's more than 0, we say push. Hmm. Oh, it's already U8. Nice. And there from 0. So we say supporter level -1. Yeah. Perfect. And now I want to give myself. How did I? Was it here? Yeah. Tag. Did I do it here? Here, not yet. It's the dev. I think I also need to publish to the dev, yeah. And then let's check. Rust and Bevy don't have a link for changes like that. No, it's not about Rust Analyzer. It's about the fact that there's basically no connection between the code from the server and the code on the client, because the code on the client just gets generated as copies of files from the server. It's because of how SpaceTimeDB works. Still astonished by the fact that when you add something, you remember to add it in all places it involves in the code base, which I always forget when I'm working with a modular code base. Yeah, but I don't actually. Yeah, it's mostly about making the code base so you don't forget, like you don't have to remember, because you will get the errors wherever you have to remember. It's supposed to break, you know. So this is like one of the cases where it wouldn't, and that's why I want to like redo it, because if I change, for example, like one of the names here, or like I add another, I will have to remember to go here specifically. But currently I can't make it, so like I can't even generate this enum on the client unless I use it specifically here instead of the string. But yeah, usually you would just use the same enum and it would be just perfect. Okay, we published. Yeah, let's see. Oh, I need to give myself tag supporter common. Okay. Now I should have, yeah, I have 2 tags. And I should have the star in the game. Okay. I need to change the symbol. Is there a simpler star? Maybe this one? Because the other one, I guess, has 2 symbols. No. No. Is this the same one? Seems like it. Or it's smaller. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Now let's see. Can actually just edit it here. How does insert work? Okay. ID owner tag values. Oh, fuck, I have to know the ID though. Okay. Or I guess I could have just changed. Yeah, I could have updated the old value. Okay, let's try rare. What up, Polly? Yeah, it's going on pretty great. I'm working on adding a new functionality to the game where I can add player tags. So this way I can give certain tags to the people who are supporters of the game. And right now I'm working on displaying it like this. This star will display the tier of, yeah, basically how much money you pay me on Patreon. But yeah, I'll tie a bunch of things to it. Wait, I wanna check if I can add this to my name. I should not be able to. Oh, it doesn't display the character for some reason. Okay. I want to see how the epic look like. Update player tag where set tag is supporter epic where ID is this. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, wrong ID. Dude, I'm so like, after yesterday I'm so afraid to like doing any comment like this because I deleted all the player stats yesterday accidentally. Okay, epic. Dude, I actually love the way it looks. Should it be at the front? Maybe it should be at the front. Let's see. Yeah, I did. The table with player game stats, I accidentally deleted everything from it. I wanted to clear it for one player and then I cleared it for everyone. Okay, is this better? Maybe it should have a space. What do you think, guys? Is the star on the front? I think it's better in the front, right? With the space. I think it's cool. Actually, I don't know. I kind of like I like both ways almost. Yeah, front with a space. The legendary one. It's so cool. So nice. Oh yeah, it's actually, that's not me. My other account. Yeah, let's leave it like that. Yeah. Okay, so one big thing that I want to do is some sort of rewards collection flow. So basically, when you open the game, there should be a screen where it like says that you have unclaimed rewards. So this way I can do some sort of daily stuff, like for example, I'm thinking, why not make a poll in the Discord? I don't know, I feel like, I think rare will be $5, epic 15, and legendary, I don't know, 25? I think 50 is too much, right? But 25 sounds alright. Or maybe epic should be 10. Then it's kinda, yeah. Maybe 2, 5, 10, 25. Feels weird if legendary is less than 2 times more than epic. So yeah, I guess 25. But I already do the Patreon, and I'll post about it soon, maybe today. Yeah, I think so. I feel like it should start with 2 for people who are like really can't afford much but still want to support the game. Two, 5, 10, 25, yeah. Sounds right. I don't know. Okay. So the rewards. So there should be a table, that's for sure. So I basically, the way I envision it, all the supporter tiers will randomly get rewards every day. And the way it's gonna work, I want people to see that like today, whoever is the common supporter, let's say, they've got like, each of them got a loot box, for example. And you just see that like announcement and you're like, damn, I wish I was one of them. I may bargain to 20. Double the 10. Yeah, maybe. I don't know, I feel like legendary should be like very exceptional, you know? And 25 is a cool number. And they should get some like really exceptional rewards. I also want to make a like loot boxes to be also common, rare, epic, and legendary. And so each day there will be a chance for every supporter level to get some sort of loot boxes, and like with some small chance, like common supporters will may each get like a legendary loot box, for example. I feel like it's fun when it's random, you know? You can like put this casino mechanics everywhere. And like it should really play on people's FOMO. Because you'll see that like, damn, I could have been the one to receive the legendary loot box. Yeah man, epic will be also epic. That's for sure. Yeah, it always has been. But yeah, I mean, it's already kind of gacha with the way I've done the units collection, because you can roll and the different qualities because of their stat mutations. So you can roll a better version of a unit, for example. But yeah, I actually always like those kind of mechanics. I just don't want to tie them to real money in like a very direct way. So you can just pay and buy as much as you want. I don't want to have that. I liked, for example, I played a lot of Hearthstone back in the day when it just came out, and before it's like was, I think it was in beta or sometime, right? So yeah, I played it from the very beginning, and I really loved earning the like card packs, earning money for arena. I never paid for anything, and I got like the best deck, and I got to the legend also. and it was really cool that I knew that I didn't pay for it with my real money. And whenever, like, I was at a local tournament in my city, and I had the deck with like a bunch of legendaries that you needed. I was like a warrior, and someone was like, "Dude, you've definitely been donating. Like, you bought this with real money." And I was like, "No," and the dude didn't even believe me. So it's kind of dumb that, like, I mean, it didn't bother me, but I feel like it's cool if in a game you just know that whatever person has, they earned it with their like skill and time and not real money. So I want to keep that. Because it kind of, I don't know, it kind of diminishes your achievements even if you know that you've earned it. But like pay to win, I always fucking hated. At the same time, I want to make my game free, and I want to earn money. Okay. So I guess there should be like claimed. And I think I will use maybe this. But it can also be money. But yeah. And I feel like opening a loot box should somehow be through this. Yeah, as I remember, this item bundle is basically a list of IDs from this table. And if, for example, a unit is in this table, and like you can get it, the owner is 0. So yeah, let's do it like this. And should I also add maybe just a field for credits? I don't know, maybe they should be a part of item bundle. Yeah, kinda. I feel like supporters could, supporters could get some credits every day. Maybe like part of it is getting credits every day, like maybe in case you logged in or something. And randomly you might get a big reward. Like you get credits every day, but with some chance you also get like loot boxes or something. But this you don't have to log in every day. As long as you're a supporter, you'll get the reward if it happens, if it procs, right? So I think it would be cool, like if you come after a week and you see like you got like 4 new loot boxes and you're like, dang. I think the most impactful thing is if others see what thing has procced, and like you'll see that higher ranks of supporters get it more often. Maybe it could be like every day only one level of supporters get a big reward, and the higher the level, the bigger the chance. Yeah, but if it's 4 levels, yeah, I don't think it should be only one, but the bigger the level, the bigger the chance and the bigger the reward. I think it should be like this. And also every level will get earlier access to the server on season switch. So once we're moving to the next season, the server will go offline. I will update it and I will only allow to log in people with supporter tags for like 1 day maybe. That's what I came up with. Dude, like, they fucking ruined my my VS Code. Because like this fucking name reward thing, when I specify some equals in the attributes, it breaks everything. Like I can't see the used, look into where any field was used, and I don't see the suggestions here. Like there's this find function and I don't see it, but I can do like this. Yep, no error. But it doesn't even know what type it is. Cooldown. Yeah, maybe. But yeah, but I want to motivate people to open the game every day as much as possible. But yeah, maybe part of it should be like with a cooldown and another part random. Maybe I should have something like check owner, because I do it a lot. Wait. Yeah, I like the chaotic experience. Oh. YouTube said we've detected audio in a stream belonging to someone else. Which one is that? Oh shit. I'm not sure if it's probably some other song. Fuck, I hope I don't get banned. Yeah, I don't think I can see the timestamp right now. Yeah, some of the music was copyrighted, but I'm not sure which one. We'll see after the stream ends. Yeah, I got a warning right now that it has detected an audio in. We've detected audio in your stream belonging to someone else. Your stream may be temporarily blocked. But yeah, last time I got it after the stream, and it was just one song, I think. I can't even rename it? Dude, are you for real? Why I can't if I do this? Yeah, I guess credits actually shouldn't be a part of the bundle. Should I? I can actually do it like this, and then I can make the bundle with a price. Okay, let's leave it like that. Yeah. $168? What? Of course I can't view it. Dude, I wonder, like, some dude from SpacetimeDB said he's using VS Code and it's fine. I've updated my Rust analyzer. Okay, what if I switch to pre-release version? Yeah, it's the same. Okay. Okay. I guess there should be some string indicating the source of the reward. Yeah. Oh, the warning disappeared. I wonder if it was just one song. But yeah, probably the way I should check it is make a video of my whole playlist and then upload it unlisted. Okay, I guess the way we're gonna check it is I'll just add a daily reward thing. Okay, let's just do it like this. Hmm. What? Oh, unwrap. What? Oh. Yeah, so now if I do upload, oh shit. Okay, whatever. I changed the ID. Okay, never mind. Okay, yeah, it added my supporter reward, which should be like daily. Okay, so now we can try to display it somewhere. Maybe it should be actually here. I could also display like the dot. What? Oh, use. Okay. I think this should be it. So now it should be... Wait a second. And now I should be able to see in my inbox my supported reward. Should be able to press open, then see the loot box, and then press claim. Right. Oh yeah. Okay, it looks kind of ugly. The rainbow doesn't move. Hmm. Hmm. Oh yeah. Maybe it should just get deleted. Yeah, probably. Because I can't see this item bundle after it has been claimed. Yeah, it should get deleted and then logged somewhere. Yeah. Okay, let's try again. What? Wait, why didn't... Why the fuck? It still has it. Oh, no, it doesn't. Weird. But it doesn't show the error. Wait, did I... Publish? Yeah. Load. Shit.